Welcome back to From Funky to Fabulous.
We got a few new products from Ulta that we're going to try out together. This one I thought would be really fun for the boys. This is a Total Takeaway Skin Purifying Bubble Mask. So as I read it, you put it on and it just bubbles up your entire face. So as you can tell, we have all pulled our hair back. We are going to, it looks like, dampen our face.
Ew, it feels weird.
It's just a washcloth.
It's very scratchy.
It's not scratchy. I'm gonna give you guys a couple of pumps to just place on your face, okay?
Got it.
Ambrose?
Only a little bit. Wait, what do I do with
You
it?
just rub it.
I thought you were supposed to rub that on.
I look good. Oh no, I put too much.
Down like this? How does it?
I should have pulled my hair back more.
Oh man, so it looks like a little bit goes a long way. All right, ready?
What's the point if it's
Okay, all right, Phil, stop spreading.
Oh no, my face!
No, don't rub it off. Don't rub it off.
It's not good like that.
Let me see. Okay, yeah, it's fine. Help.
I look like a.
Oh, it's bubbling. Ooh,
It hurts.
I can feel it on my nose.
It tickles.
It does kind of tickle, huh?
We're back. And we actually, I think we did it wrong. Well, I did it wrong. So I did a little bit more on my face. Now what do we do, Mom?
Now we just let it bubble up for 2 to 5
You
minutes.
touched me!
Sorry.
Don't wipe this off, it's all
Mommy,
wet.
there's like some kind of eyelash.
Yeah, it's a little embroidered eyelash on there. So, I mean, I guess this is it. To me, really, it was kind of hard to put on. What do you guys think? Just because it started fizzing right away, we didn't even get to put it on the places that we really kind of wanted. So, a little bit did go a long way, but I think that maybe we should cake it on next time.
It was just refreshing now.
I'm bubbling a lot.
I can feel my skin just bubbling.
It hurts.
Does yours bubble?
I feel like there's little maggots trying to come out. It hurts.
It says, awaken your dull and fatigued skin with this oxygenated cleansing face mask. Each tiny clay bubble lifts and carries away stubborn impurities, leaving your skin clean and pure. Ooh, I just had a big pop on the side of my face. Ew. Relax and let yourself be totally taken away. Ah!
I don't want to be taken away by aliens.
It's like really reacting right here. Ew.
I like this stuff now.
Ah!
You can't wipe it off yet. We still have 5 minutes. Guys, we're going to see you back in about 5 minutes after we get ready to take it off. All right, guys. So we're going to go ahead and wipe it off. As you can see, the bubbles died down a lot. So now what it says to do is just to kind of rub it like this.
Mine's still bubbling.
Which actually to me seems kind of weird because
Well,
if
mine's
it...
still bubbling.
It is still bubbling. If it did get like
So do I
all of
just
that
rub it
dirt
off?
out of there, we're kind of just rubbing it
Do I
back in
just
there.
rub it off?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then Ambrose, let me go ahead and have this. We're supposed to rinse it off.
Mine won't come off.
I feel fluff.
Yeah, hold on, baby, hold on.
No, it's just,
You feel what, baby? You feel softer?
I don't know.
Can you wipe me off, please? So, we are back, and we wiped off our face mask.
Mm-hmm.
Now what are we going to do?
I mean, that's about it. I have some other things that I'm going to go through and show everybody on my own. But how do you guys feel about the face mask?
I feel really clean and light.
Yeah, everybody's faces just look like a little bit brighter.
But my
So,
eyes look a little baggy.
they look a little baggy. I have a cream for that.
Nice.
Let me show it to you. Okay, let's suit Philip up with some moisturizer and stuff like that. Philip, close your eyes. This is multi-active toner. You want some toner?
It got in my mouth.
Then
Ow.
let's get you some moisturizer.
No, don't spray it in my eyes.
Hey, I want to do it.
You want to do it? Okay, hold on. Here it comes. Okay, rub that into your face. Close them up. Don't wipe it. Don't wipe it.
It smells like Sprite.
Like Sprite? All right, here's your moisturizer. Let's just tap, 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 tap. You're gonna be a little closer here.
This.
And then I'm gonna show you guys how to use the eye
Okay.
cream. All right.
I rub mine in.
You're gonna do this, tap, tap, tap this, and then you're gonna tap it underneath your eye, like this. Okay? Until it's all patted in. So you do that on your face.
I'm not trying to put makeup on, but
It's not makeup. This is the Dermalogica Total Eye Care. Eye
total
cream.
I don't care. Wait.
Like this way? No, open your eye, Ambrose.
Ah,
Come here, please. Come here.
closer.
No, this is just gonna go right underneath your little eye. All right, now you're gonna tap it in like this, Ambrose.
I gotta do that.
John Stamos.
How do you do that? Like,
Okay, Mom, I tapped mine in.
no.
All right, look at that. Your eyes feel lifted?
I just did this.
Feel the same.
No, you can't rub it, Ambrose. Rubbing causes wrinkles.
You're out of stuff.
I'm out of moisturizer for myself. I feel like that keeps happening to me.
Mommy, I think I got some over here.
And Rose, keep tapping it in.
I got
So I
some on
can't rub
my
my.
cheeks. So I could just
Wait,
go.
that's moisturizer.
So I could go like this.
Mhm.
Wouldn't it give me wrinkles?
Your hands don't get wrinkles. All right,
I think I rubbed it a little bit.
it's okay. Ready? Watch one.
Wrinkles.
Oh, wrinkles.
Wrinkles.
Yeah, you definitely have wrinkles.
You don't have wrinkles.
Yes, I do.
I'm just like a master of makeup.
Fine, I got freckles.
Freckles. I have freckles.
This is just nightly routine moisturizers. Yeah.
Look, these are freckles.
Come here, let me help you.
My eyes look saggier. Well, that was the Funky to Fabulous.
That was Funky to Fabulous with these two guys. I'm gonna finish up some more unboxing here in just a second. Everybody say bye.
Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe. Peace out.
A couple other things that I need to unbox. I went to Ulta yesterday with some friends and I went a little bit crazy. Everything that they found, I found amazing. So I bought a whole bunch of things. I ran out of facial care stuff, so I went ahead and got this. This is the Mario Badescu. I don't know, skincare. And I'm gonna try this out a little bit later. As I just did my face with the boys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this in here for now. Next thing that I got is this Tree Hut Firming Sugar Scrub. This one's mocha and coffee beans. A new Morphe sponge. This is something that I use all the time. These are only like $7, guys. So, and they're really, really good. So shout out to Morphe on that. I got a bronzer and a highlighter from Morphe. Benefit highlighter, liquid highlighter. I want to see how it looks like maybe here over the tattoo. It's pretty. It adds a little bit of shimmer. Well, actually, we'll have to see how it looks on the face, but I'm thinking that I'm probably going to have to build that up along with the Morphe one. Morphe setting spray. I actually don't use a whole lot of Morphe makeup, but because I bought the Beauty Blender and I liked it so much, I decided to try a few more of their items. So we'll see how that goes. The last thing on our list is going to be Allure Luxe Magnetic Mink Effect Lashes. This, my friend actually told me about a few weeks ago. I don't wear fake lashes, but these ones are magnetic. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, I'm gonna wrap everything up and then I'm gonna start putting on makeup and you guys will see me on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all stay fabulous.